Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable version of One UI 8.5. The rollout expanded globally starting May 11th, including the US, Europe, India, Southeast Asia, and more. How to check for the Samsung One UI 8.5 stable update. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Software Update. Tap Check for updates. You can see the system update available. One UI version 8.5, Android version 16. Update size 607.7, 4 megabytes. Security patch level April 2026. Download and install this One UI 8.5 stable version to your Samsung Galaxy devices. The rollout is phased, so if you don't see it yet, it may arrive within a few days, depending on your region and carrier. You can see the last message for beta users. We are very grateful to all of you for your positive and active participation in One UI beta program. With the release of the official version, the best test has ended. In the next video, I'll show you what changes and bug fixes in the stable version of One UI 8.5. Don't miss out to check it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.